I'm Leonardo Silva. I work for Facebook in Brazil, supporting sales teams in Latin America. I was running a new hire training for interns. We wanted to gamify that experience. We wanted to make sure that it was fun. My manager talked about this tool called Kahoot, and we decided, why not try this in a business environment? Why don't we do this in new hire training? It was amazing. And I said, that's the tool that I should start using, and I've been using since 2016. We've been trying to gamify training for a long time, but all of the solutions that I found was time consuming. Like I needed to print paper, I needed to install software. And when I heard about Kahoot, I loved it because you don't have to install anything. People use their phones or computer, and it's simple. That was exactly what I was looking for. When you start playing Kahoot, the atmosphere in this room changes. Everybody wants to compete against each other in a nice way, in a really positive way. And people pay more attention to the training because they want to make sure that they are in the top, which is the dream of any trainer. They start using Kahoot with their clients, in business meetings, in sales conferences, in big events. You can know immediately the areas where people are struggling, the areas that people are really understanding. And I think that's the only tool that today can give me results immediately.
Make learning awesome at Kahoot.com. Let's play.